Hello, Amazing All Stars. Today is Tuesday, May 31st. Believe it or not, this is our last number corner activity for the entire school year. Wow, I know. Let's find out what is on our calendar. We have to flip a few cards. Remember, we had a long weekend. So we have to flip Sunday's card, Monday's card, and Tuesday's card. Let's find out what's on these cards. As we look at Sunday's card, we see that Tad was on the number 64 the last time we spoke. And Tad went down 3 moves. So he went down 10, 20, 30, but he went back 1. 10, 20, 30, and then back 1. Again, we are using our math book that has the blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. Page 63. We have to find out what this shape is really going to be on this page. So today we'll be able to find out what that hidden picture is. Now that you have page 63 in that book, we're going to do what it said. Tad was on the number 64, which was right here, and he went down 10, 20, 30, and he went back 1 to the number 93, to the number 93. So we're going to shade in 93. 93. And I am going to do this to make sure we understand what is going on. I'm going to get rid of all of this information, and we're going to start with the number 64. We're going to go down 30. So we added 30. Then when we came up with the number 94, when we added 30, but then we took away 1, which made it 93. 93. 93. That was the first card. Remember, we have 2 more cards. Our second card starts at the number 93, which we just did, and it went up 2. So that means we subtracted 10, 20, but we added 1. So we have for this one, 93, 93 minus 20 plus 93 minus 20 is, let's do that. 93 minus 20 is 10, 20, 73. Plus 1 is 74. Whoa. So 93 minus 10, and then 20, it equals 73. Plus 1 equals 74. So we're going to color in the number 74. 74. I'm looking at this picture. We just have one more number to fill in, and then we'll find out what the picture really is. So now we are on the number 74. So close, so close. One more to add. Do you know what flew past Tad? One more. So we're going to take that number, 74, plus 1 equals 75. 75. 75. So we're going to color in. What is this that flew past Ted? Can anyone tell what this is? What is this supposed to be? Is this supposed to be like a butterfly? Oh my goodness, what do you think it is? We'll talk about this when we come back together. Great job, friends. We are all done with this for Number Corner. Very proud of you, All-Stars. Let's do this. Our last thing we're going to do for our Number Corner is actually show our days in school. As we continue to look at the days in school, we are adding just one more day to our chart. Wow. That means we have 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 167 days that we have been together. Incredible. That means we're getting closer to the end of the school year, which means you should be working really hard right now. We'll change the number to make it 167 here. 167 here. And 167 here. We'll change it to 50 plus 50 plus 50, which is 150, plus 10, which is 160, 167. When we talk about coins, we're going to do it two ways here. We have 100, 160. We'll add another penny here to make it 167. And then we have 16 dimes, which when we count by tens, if we had 16 of them, it would be 160. Plus a nickel makes 165, plus 2 pennies would make it 167. We're still going to talk more about numbers, but I do want to tell you this is our last official time with Number Corner as a video. I hope you have enjoyed all of this, because in June, which starts on Wednesday, we'll be doing lots of other fun math activities. Enjoy!